In front of me is SONY Xperia 1, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case, it is Google Chrome. Then select More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then select History. Here, just tap on Clear Browsing Data. And as you can see here, you have two options. You've got Basic and Advanced features. So under Basic, you've got Browsing History, Cookies and Save Data, and also Cached Images and Files. And then under Advanced, you have a few more, which are Saved Passwords, Autofill from Data, and also Site Settings. I just marked them all because I would like to remove everything, but obviously it's up to you what you want to delete. And finally, just pick the time range, so just tap here and select the period of time. In my case, it will be all time. Select Clear Data then, and that's it. As you can see, the history is empty. You can create it from scratch, and this is it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.